My name is Orsolya Carrick, and I'm the founder of 2 English language schools and also the founder of Mandala, ecological educational garden that promotes sustainability for young people and adults likewise. I would like to tell you a little bit about our course in Malta in October, which will teach teachers about permaculture pedagogy. The course will include some important topics like the global challenges and problems people face nowadays, trying to find solutions and trying to find those skills that can improve young people in order to find solutions to these problems. We will introduce you to the 12 permaculture principles, and through them we will plan a permaculture garden, school garden, and teach you how to integrate these skills and principles into education. Really exciting course. I think the topic is really up to date, and it's also really important to include this topic into all fields and areas of life. So I hope to see you there soon. Thank you very much for your attention.